Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Hi, my name is Will. I've lived in 5 countries in 4 years and I'm still traveling. I'm currently in the Dominican Republic in the city of Cabarete and want to wish everyone happy holidays. And in this video, we're traveling to Boca. And if you remember from the last video, my grandfather-in-law is here visiting us for the holidays. Let's take the champion on a river tour. Here we are, we're in the car, and we're on an adventure with Grandpa. We're going to visit La Boca here in Cabarete.
T'as compris, grand-père?
Make it, set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education.
As soon as we arrived, I made a friend. His name is Kiko. Hola, Kiko. And the next friend we got is here.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
The next step on the adventure, they offered us a little snack of all the fruits that actually come from the plantation. So we have passion fruit, papaya, and mandarin.
Fighting night from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the...
This, actually, they call it limoncello here. But what it is used for in the United States, we call it lemon verbena. And it makes for an awesome candle. It's my favorite. Delicious. Now, after visiting the plantation, we're now on to the major part of the adventure. We're heading now to the boat, which is on the lagoon, which is going to go to the river and then out to the ocean.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Il moteur qui déconne.
It seems on the island that there's still a lot of land that's untouched by human hands. I mean, it's pretty amazing. And the trip, the relaxing just ride down the river is nice. You can tell how relaxing this tour is by the co-pilot. We're now coming to the point where the river meets the ocean.
Tu remets un petit coup de peine quand même?
Ouais, un petit coup de peine, comme d'habitude.
Ah, monsieur!
Très bien.
Now we're gonna sit down and have a meal. In this area, there's no electricity, there's no gas, there's nothing. So they cook the old, simple, old-fashioned way with wood and fire.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils font? Ils vont nous faire cuire un poisson, là. Et là, je suis en train de me chauffer au feu, là. Ouais, oh Dieu. Oh, ça fait du bien. Vraiment sauvage, quoi. Hein? Ah bah oui. Hein? Ouais, ouais.
This area is truly amazing. Look at the mountains. That is where this river actually starts with the rainfall. And it travels all the way down through the valley, through the lagoon, into the river, and then the river ends here. And you area on the beach. But one unfortunate thing, well, I don't know if it's unfortunate, but at times the ocean does come and cover this entire area. And if you look, you see what we're doing to our planet. The ocean is giving us back all of the garbage that we put into it. So that's why I say, what are we doing to our planet? We need to think twice before we need to reuse things as much as possible. That's the whole thing. We got to cut down on the amount of garbage that we're dumping on this planet.
La soupe est servie.
Servi là?
Ouais.
Ah oui, voilà.
Manger. Bah, hey, ma foi. T'as pris du poulet, c'est ça?
Moi, non.
Guys, we just finished an amazing meal here at Wilson's Restaurant and Bar. It's a part of the tour. Everything is all included for $45, and everything's included, except for drinks. But let me tell you, the food here was absolutely excellent. And you know me, every time I've had good food, I want to dance, dance, dance. But you know, this time I can't because I am stuffed. We had fried fish, fried plantains, fried sweet potatoes, fried eggplant, the rice marron, which is the brown rice, and an amazing salad, a cabbage salad with fresh tomatoes, fresh avocado, fresh diced peppers on top. It was excellent. And all of it's included. So now it's time to take a petite sieste, or we're all gonna relax, because look behind me, everybody's relaxing now. So I'm gonna find my table and I'm gonna take a rest also.
I guess life could be worse right now. See this old man walking, that's crazy.
I know, and you know, he wants to do his own thing. And one thing about Grandpa, he can't be still. He never wants to sit down, and he's just constantly on the move, which is amazing for a man that's almost 90.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, you know what to do. Hit the like button and smash subscribe. So we're gonna say goodbye. Bye. Grandpa, where you at? Where you at? There he is.